Welcome back to Basics Learnia. Are you ready for the math interesting questions? We have a lots of IQ test. If you are interested in math IQ test, then subscribe the Basics Learnia for more. 99% people were failed in this IQ test. Today, we will solve this. The question is, Math IQ test. If 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, 1 plus 2 is equal to 7, 1 plus 3 is equal to 17, and 1 plus 4 is equal to 34, then 1 plus 7 is equal to what? So how to solve this problem? Let me solve this for you. The sequence is, start from 1 plus 1 and end with 1 plus 7. So there is 1 plus 5 and 1 plus 6 missing. Which is the logic here? First of all, we will solve this for those numbers, then for 1 plus 7. You must know that 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. But how is 1 plus 2 is equal to 7? So first of all, we will prove this equation. If we take the square of the second number and add with first number means 1 plus 2 square, it will give you 5. Then add the result of the first equation, so it will give you 7. If you follow this way, so it will give you all the numbers. Equation for all numbers will be, take the square of the second number, then add the first number, then add the result of the upper number. It will give you all solutions. So 1 plus 5 will be 5 square is equal to 25. Then add 1, which will give you 26. Then add the results of the upper, which is 34. So it will give you 34 plus 26 is equal to 60. Now 1 plus 6 is equal to 6 square is equal to 36. Then add 1. It will give you 37. Then add the results of the upper, which is 60. So 60 plus 37 is equal to 97. Now in last 1 plus 7, which is the required question. 7 square will give you 49. Then add the first number, which is 1. Then add the results of the upper, which is 97. So 97 plus 49 plus 1 is equal to 147. So 147 is your correct answer. Is it clear now? Thanks for watching this. If you like this, then follow the Basics Learnia.